Hi, TJ Wolf here, and today I just want to talk about Linux Mint 20 and not a lot of good things to say about them. So they want to talk about Ubuntu and Snap. So on June 27th, when it was released, Linux Mint 20, apparently they don't want snaps, and they gave Ubuntu a whole lot of BS and stuff. So, Linux Mint, you want to know what I say? You can shut up. That's what I say, because you want to talk about Ubuntu and stuff. Well, a lot of things, and don't get me wrong, this is going to be probably a rant video, so just to beware. So, one thing, a lot of stuff Mint does is awesome, and a lot of stuff Mint has done is awesome, but from now on, I don't know about Linux Mint, but so let's talk about the good things, and then we could talk about the bad things. So Linux Mint 20 is obviously based on Ubuntu 20.04 without snaps, and I couldn't really find an article except for this one right here about it. They did have it on their blog post somewhere, but I'm not sure what happened to it. So anyway, so you can read everything about snaps. I'm sure you guys are all caught up about it and stuff, but Linux Mint wants to give shit about snaps and stuff, and you know what? Why don't you just forget about it? And you can still install dev files in Ubuntu, because the developers said you can install dev files and stuff. And I'm not sure if that's a guarantee, but I'm pretty sure the developers said that. So when I was listening to a podcast, so moving on. So new features in Linux Mint 20 XFCE. So a lot of good things. I really haven't been on Linux Mint too much, but I didn't like the starting out of Linux Mint. So this right here is send and receive files. So I'm guessing this is a new thing, because I don't remember that in Linux Mint. I guess this is a new thing. NVIDIA Optimus. They did this GW, they actually updated, which I really like. I really like the interface of the updated GW file manager, because it lists a lot more and stuff in it when you're using it and stuff. So that's pretty good. And then artwork, And then the other thing is this welcome screen. They did a lot of stuff in the welcome screen which I like. You can pick your theme here right off the bat and turn it on the dark theme and stuff. So I really like the features that they did in the welcome screen, but there's a lot more stuff that they need to improve and that they didn't do because they were too busy bitching about snaps and shit. Blah 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 blah. Snaps suck. Flatpad suck. Oh, you know what, Linux man? Just shove it. So we're gonna take a bit about we're gonna take a look at it right now. So I got it in a virtual VMware actually because I really like VMware and stuff. So if you guys haven't tried VMware, try it out. There's a trial version and stuff, but I have a key for it, so but there is a trial version. And so let me start up the virtual box and we can get going. So here we go, it's coming up. And I will put it on full screen so we can see it better. And let me put in my super secure password. And here we go, we're up. So the first thing you get is this welcome screen and everything. Showed welcome and then first steps, and then here's the part that I really like. You can change your color. If you watch the folders, it changes, and so does the theme and everything. But if you turn this on, you'll put it to dark mode, which I really like. Not sure what happened. I think it locked up for a minute there. Okay, so if you look at this, it'll go back. And then up. So we're going to see the colors. And you get all your different colors and stuff. I'm going to leave it on green. I think that's what it was. On, and I'm going to keep it on dark just so I can see better. Then you got your documentation. Oh, let me go back. You got system snapshots, driver manager, everything all in one. Update manager, system settings, software manager, and firewall all in one place. So that's really good. Then you got documentation, new features, and release notes. which I already showed you on the web page. I'm assuming that's where it's going to take you. So let's see where it takes us. I hit the launch button and it's open up, and yeah, that's where it's going to take you for the release notes. I wonder if it says anything here about snaps, cause Snap Store. The Snap Store is disabled in Linux Mint 20. For more information. Okay, so I must have missed this. So here's everything that it says about the Snap Store and everything about backdoor. It's a Linux Mint. You're a bunch of fucking shitheads. I don't know why you would put disable Snap Store and Linux backdoor via apt. No, it's not a backdoor, Linux Mint. You guys, man, shove it. You wanna know? I'm gonna do what Linus says. Fuck y'all, Linux Mint. So that's enough said about that. Web forms, you got IRC. And another thing about Linux Mint is their support really isn't that good. Not compared to Ubuntu's support and MX Linux support. I mean, MX Linux support is beyond. I went into Linux Mint forums and nobody, not one single person helped me as fast as the MX Linux people did. So, and Ubuntu forum, they're really good, so that's something to think about. So, anyway, let's get, and then you can contribute and stuff, and talk on their forum and stuff, and like that. So let's, the first thing that gets me about Linux Mint, besides the snap, we all seen this, so let me do the updates. Now, do you want to switch to a local mirror? So, obviously a new user is going to be like, okay, let's do it. Oh, that was the wrong password, sorry. Guys, so, it brings up the dialog box, so let's hit a different mirror. So we're going to put on this one, because it's telling us that's the speed and stuff. So let's switch this one to see what's the fastest mirror. So it's that one. So we're going to hit apply, both of them set to EvoWise. So okay, so it's updating the cache and the mirrors, and we're going to update everything. So, exactly what a new user would do. So, let's hit the, so get out. Let's go to, it's going to refresh. New version, apply update. And we're going. It's downloading packages. Refresh. So we got a bunch of updates. 106 updates. So gonna update these. Let's install updates. Okay. And it's going. So while that's going, let's trying to think about what to talk about here while that's going. Can't really talk about nothing. So this is almost done, so sorry for this, but since we're in VirtualBox, it's gonna be a little bit slow because it's gonna be in VirtualBox and my hardware is not the best right now. I'm still working on some stuff. Trying to buy some new stuff, but in the process, it's kind of difficult right now because of the status of everything. So I'm gonna have a drink of whatever. So unpacking Linux firmware, Linux modules, packing Linux headers. So it's doing the kernel now, so So, while this is going still, let's see what we can do here. Open up Task Manager, let's see how much. Disconnected, what? You guys saw that, didn't you? So it disconnected for a second. Still going. Not sure why is it disconnected. Oh yeah, probably because it's updating, so probably re-enabled it. Yeah, that's what happened. It was updating the network drivers, so that's why that said disconnected. So just waiting for this to get done and I can finish what I have to say. Configuring enter. Okay, so here's the other thing that was an issue. I had an issue of the enter something, whatever, and it was a quick fix that I found, but it was a quick fix. For some reason, there was a busy box issue and it wouldn't boot, so I never got that issue before. And another thing that Linux Mint wants to something on Linux Mint side, so you have installed updates that require reboot. Okay, so let's reboot. So everything I'm doing is all unscripted. Nothing's gonna be edited or nothing. The only thing I'm probably going to edit is to make it look clean and stuff, if I can, to shorten the video out and stuff. But other than that, everything's unscripted and everything. So let's put the password back in and welcome, let's go back, didn't go, let's see. What happened here? Let's see what happened here. Visual missing. Okay, I'm not sure what happened. Okay, there we go. What's going on with that? Not sure what's going on with that. But, okay, so let's see what's going on with that. Okay, so why is that supposed to be dark? Okay. Weird, I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm gonna put it back on dark, so here we go. So let's open up a Synaptic Package Manager because I know that's installed. So here what the issue was when I was trying to install something. I'm putting the wrong password in again. Thinking I'm on my own PC. So let's make this bigger so you guys can see it. And then, what was I installing? I gotta figure out what that program was now I was gonna install. So, there was a package I was trying to get. I can't even think of the package name now. What was it? What's the package name? Firefox. Check MP sensor. No, that's not gonna work anyway, but let's see what it does. P sensor. Okay. Can it give me the same error? Let's see. Okay, so that installed, so that wasn't the issue. What was I trying to get before? Can't remember what the issue was. But there was an issue with the sources list. There was an issue with EvoWise server, something with that server, and I had to switch to a different server. And I remember the EvoWise server, there was an issue a while ago, and I just can't believe they still haven't fixed that issue yet. So I'm not sure if it's on Ubuntu's side too, but that server, there was an issue a while ago. I forget what the issue was, but it gave an error, and I'm trying to figure out what package I was installing, but I had to switch the sources list to install stuff. So if you guys have problems, just switch to a different server. If you guys are using the EvoWise and you can't install something and stuff like that. But on Ubuntu, because I've been running Kubuntu, I haven't had any problems. But I know they don't give you a sources list to choose from either. So yeah, I've had problems with Ubuntu. But then again, Mitt wants to complain about snaps. Blah 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 blah. Snap this. Snap this. So, trying to figure out trying to think what package it was. Maybe I'll think of it, because that installed, P-Sensor installed, what package was it? Maybe it was Lutris. No, Lutris isn't in here. It was in Lutris, oh. It's bugging out again. Maybe a VLC. It's bugging out again. Sorry guys, if you guys can hear me, it's bugging out again. VMware is bugging out. Not sure what's going on here. Okay, VLC. Let's look. VLC. Let's try VLC. Apply. I know that's a big program, so let's try VLC. Maybe I was trying to get VLC. I don't think that was the program I was trying to get, but... No, this wasn't the program I was trying to get. I'm trying to think. It wasn't the program, so anyway, I think that's going to be it for this video because I don't want to go too long with this rant about Linux Mint stuff. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you got some interest out of this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video or maybe a live stream. So, see you later. Bye now.